So this is something that you have to be careful because we don't have the limit switch. So if you move to the left too much, this is what's gonna happen. ชน Okay, so this is not good. Okay, so you have to move away a little bit. Okay, so be careful not to hit the here because the mechanical is gonna have a problem. Same thing with the y-axis. If you go too much, then basically this thing is gonna hit. Okay, so not good. So be careful not to hit the X limit to the side, top and bottom, and left and right. Okay. Same thing if you hit it over here, you're gonna hit it the mechanical part, which is not good. Okay, that's the limit. Okay.